Hey everyone, I'm Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over our important update regarding our pricing chat message. The first thing you want to do is click Get Free. It's going to add this template to your firm templates. So you're going to want to go to Firm Templates, Chats, and then you want to go ahead and open that firm template to review it. At the top, you can see the template name. If they have any name for this, the client cannot see it. Then you can add your from person. So it can be from you or from one of your teammates. You can do the thread assignee. This is the person that is going to receive the responses in their inbox plus and be able to respond. And then you have your subject. This is the title of the email that everybody, including your clients, will see. And then you have your subject, or you have your chat message. Message is just going to go over why your costs are increasing and let them know that if they have any questions, they can reach out to you. So we're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. And then to send this, you'd want to go to New, Chat, and then you can select everybody that you want to select, or you can select a single person. You would select your template, and then you go ahead and click Create Chat. You're also able to send this to multiple people, going to clients, selecting multiple people through your accounts, clicking more actions, and just clicking send message. This way you can select multiple people easily, or you can select your whole list by clicking this box here at the top, like so. And then again, you can click more actions, send message. All right, send message. We want to select the message, and then we can create chat, and that will send it to everybody on our list. As you can see, we've got 16 selected client accounts. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.